this extreme weather what we have now all over the world, USA and Japan, and a lot of snowstorms and floods, heavy rains, and volcanoes wake up, and also there was like earthquakes. Like this, it was September 10 and November 8. After these alignments what we had, there was a lot of earthquakes, and these volcanoes wakes up because there was many alignments, many lines. It was August 12 when we had the Sun, Earth, Moon and Saturn line together. And then there was this dark energy from nucleus of atoms which moving through each other's this particle and interacted with each others. And this dark energy particle getting bigger. And that's why it can go next one through with next one and next one and next one. And that's why this dark energy, it's not going so much through Earth. It's mass Earth nucleus of atoms, and it activating this Earth. And there's coming energy out, and that's why there is this kind of extreme weather. And like the heavy rains, there's coming water molecule to out from Earth up, and when coming down, we have a heavy rains and floods. And that's the way it's going. These today physicists and cosmologists, they have a total wrong model on atoms. Total wrong. Nucleus of atoms expanding and recycling dark expanding pushing force, which have a nature of electrons and photons. These electrons born when these expanding photons interact with this dark energy which expanding and which pushing out from expanding nuclei of atoms. And when these expanding photons interact with this dark energy, then born new electron. And these scientists, they thinking about that electron was already there, but it was not there. It was born when they check out what happening when they changing this light and this good energy light, you know. I'm sorry, my English is not well, but I am the one. I'm the dude who found out how universe really works. And there was these alignments. After this August 12, we had a full moon, like, of course there is full moon all the time, but next one was September 10 full moon, and September 17 we have like Sun, Earth and Neptune. And after 9 days we had Sun, Moon, Earth and Jupiter. And like 17 September there was this Hurricane Fiona, which getting stronger this day, and also Super Typhoon Nandamol, which getting stronger this day, which was like 17 September. And these dudes today physics, they say Neptune can't do that, but it can, because this dark energy moving long way and meet energy from Sun and Earth, this dark energy. And when this particle go through each other and again, then we have energy which can activate in Earth, you know. And that's why Neptune can work hard here, because it's long way to come here, this dark energy. And after this September 26th, when we had this Hurricane Ian, you remember Hurricane Ian, very strong hurricane, which come in this range way all over through Florida, and same times Super Typhoon Noru. 9 days, 17 was Hurricane Fiona and Super Typhoon Nandamol, and after 9 days it happened again, Hurricane Ian and Super Typhoon Noru. Okay, and then October 9 we had a full moon. And of course there's starting happening with volcanoes, and of course there was also like a lot of these heavy rains, like after August we had this Pakistan, huge floods, huge heavy rains, and this earthquakes was a lot of it after full moon September and after November full moon, when we had a line Sun, Earth, Moon and Uranus. And also there was rare November hurricane Nicole, and it's getting stronger that day. November 8th, it's getting bigger, but when it's coming near Florida and there was not so much seawater, then this wind getting stronger after a few days. But this Hurricane Nicole, which was a rare November hurricane, getting bigger 8th November, when we had this line Sun, Earth, Moon and Uranus. And same happened like 1935, when was a rare November hurricane Yankee. There was line Sun, Moon, Earth and Uranus. Also, yes, that's the way it's going. There is this dark energy and this physics they don't understand that, what's going on. But I know what's going on. You just Google Savorinen and go read how this universe really works. Okay, what's going on now all over the world? Lot of these heavy rains, floods, snowstorm, cold, polar vortex is mass up because of this line like December 8th. Sun, Earth, Moon and Mars line was very straight. We could not see Mars like 44 minutes because Moon was worse there. And behind Moon was Mars. 44 minutes this dark energy coming here and meet energy from Sun, Earth and Moon. And after that it's moving through Moon first. And after that it's coming here. And that's why there was a lot of energy which mass Earth inside Earth nucleus of atoms. And Earth activating a lot. And you can see what's happening all over the world now. You should check out what's going on here. And it was something what already predict like a September 9. I have here videos, these YouTube. You just check out. I predict that all. I just asking physicists and cosmologists when you are starting reading what I write. Because it was over 15 years when I found out how this universe really works. And I say you, just Google Savorinen and go my blog, Uusi Suomi blog, and you can read how this universe really works. Do you really want this physics theory for everything? If you want that, you read what I write. You never get physics theory for everything if you believe in these quantum theories, what you have now, stupid theories, and these Einstein relativity theories. It's so stupid. Space don't expanding, curving, waving, sparkling, or kierry, or whatever. Space is infinity, three-dimensional place which is nothing. Can't you understand that? It is not space which expanding. It is nucleus of atoms which expanding and residing dark expanding pushing force which have a nature of electrons and photons. Can't you understand that is so simple things? But maybe you are scary people and you thinking, well, we can't expanding. Is it space which expanding far away from us? Okay, you don't have a, what I can say, oletteko you some kind of covers, perforator? Let's thinking about new way these things. If you want to know how this universe really works. Forget stupid ideas. Einstein was wrong. Time is relativity, like Einstein said, but it is not space which expanding. This matter size is also relativity. If I drop this down, everybody today say these things moving that way where's Earth center. But it is not moving that way. Sun don't move when you look. You think about, okay, maybe sun move, but you know already it not move, it illusion. And when I drop that, this one not moving that way where is Earth center. It pushing away from expanding Earth center, same way what matter and light expanding. And this floor coming quickly and this air molecule which expanding can't pushing this expanding kaukosäädin. And that's why this what we have here down moving faster because everything expanding, and that's why this one also moving away from expanding Earth center. And it is illusion. You're thinking about this one moving that when it's going down, you're thinking about, okay, yes, this moving that way where's Earth center. But it's not moving. It is illusion. Can't you understand so simple thing? Really? What's going on? Are you all crazy or what? Just Google Savorinen and go read how universe really works. Okay, cheers. And if you loving this video and you tell to your friends, check out, this man is crazy, it's cool for me, because I make that video that way, because I thinking about I have to do something, and maybe I doing that a very angry way, and maybe people laughing for me, and they tell for other people, and check out, this man is crazy. It's not problem to me you thinking about I'm crazy. I just want everybody all over the world know my idea, because I'm right. I know I'm right, and Einstein was wrong with this stupid idea about curving space. It's so stupid idea. You can't check out if there is that kind of hocus pocus curving space. Space don't emit anything. You can't check out with science way if there is that kind of thing. It is curving space and expanding space. It is not science, you know. But when I say nucleus of atoms expanding and recycling dark expanding pushing force, which have a nature of electrons or photons, it is science, you know. We can check out if I'm right or wrong. We can check out. And if I'm right, somebody might find out how we prove that I'm right. Okay, who want to be next Galileo Galilei? Because I think I'm new Copernicus, and somebody can prove that I'm right if you just get the idea how we prove that I'm right. I have a few ideas already how we can prove that. Yes, and I think we can get free energy for us. We just using lasers, and very far away from these systems there's coming lasers, and there is something very density matter. And these dark expanding light waves with what these lasers have can interact with each other, and we might get new things how do we get energy for everybody. But nobody ever try to find out that free energy if nobody never learn and understand how this universe really works. So just tell my idea about everybody. And I think we can get this theory of everything for physics. Okei. Okei. Olikohan tämä nyt hauskaa? Ei tää nyt ehkä ollut niin hauskaa minusta itsestänekään ruveta näin helkkarin vihasiksi, mutta kai tässä nyt jotakin pitää yrittää. I just said with my mother language, but it might not was so funny because I was truly angry, but I want to do that video that way. Okay, I hope you understand that. You see what I do. And maybe you understand what I mean. Okay. Just Google. No. Just Google Savorinen and go read how universe really works. Okay, cheers.